Today I'm going to be building a non-inverting amplifier. So first I'm going to start off with the AC voltage of 710 millivolts. Let's set that right here. I'm going to grab a ground and connect the negative to the ground. And then I'm going to get a 3-terminal op amp, or the positive into here. I'm going to get a potentiometer. These are kind of neat, and a resistor. The resistor is 1.5 kilo ohms, and this will be 10 kilo ohms at 50%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this to the potentiometer, the output of the op amp to the top of it, and the negative of the potentiometer to the resistor, and then this to ground. Get the voltage. I'm going to click run. You should see a swing plus or minus 1.2 volts. I believe that is correct. Check. Image I took earlier to make sure I have it correct. Yep. So let's enable the circuit. So this does, it'll take in current that exists and amplify. So right now it's amplifying by 50%, but it's based off the ratio of the amplifier. So if I drop this down 10%, it'll be around 2 to 3 volts. You know, it has a peak of 3 volts and a peak of negative 3 volts. So what's going on here is the op amp is responding to the output voltage and the negative to ground. So this can increase the signal strength without actually changing the waveform. So now it's at 6 volts. So it's not actually changing the wave. So if you take another voltage measurement and put it at the supply voltage will be in blue. They're at the same oscillation period. And this is very useful if you want to up a voltage signal without changing its phase. Unlike if you were to put in like a transformer core next to another inductor, which may change its phase timing and gives you more control over your timing. So here's how to make this on waveforms. Unfortunately, I don't have a breadboard with all the components required to build it, but what you would want to set up is a scope. Oh boy, click the wrong thing. You want to set up a scope. I'll click run, and then you set up a supplies. I believe you can generate AC. I believe this is how to generate AC wavelengths. You can pick from any of these things. This actually is a fairly decent amount of range, huh? Right now it's at 1 kilohertz. The period's 1 millisecond. You want the amplitude to be 0.710 millivolts. What does this do? Oh, weird. That's new. And you can set the phase, so it kind of just shifts it over a bit. It's like a sine graph. That's neat. Oh, it's making AC current, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's it for the video. So this is a non-inverting amplifier that's really useful for things where you want to keep the same signal position without using an inductor. It's a very simple circuit. You can, as long as you have AC current coming in, you can regulate this op amp to give it out the desired output. Voltage increase. It does reduce the current though, I believe. I mean, obviously it would have to reduce the current. But yeah. And that's pretty cool.